Choosing the right protein powder can feel overwhelming. With so many options on the market, it's easy to overlook important details like ingredient quality, amino acid profile, digestibility, and even taste. The best protein for you isn't always the same as someone else's. It depends on your goals, lifestyle, and dietary preferences. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the best protein powders available right now, highlighting what makes each one stand out and what you need to know to make the right choice for your fitness journey. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below so you can check them out easily. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have Transparent Labs Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate, a premium option for those who prioritize purity, transparency, and performance. This whey protein is sourced exclusively from grass-fed, hormone-free cows in the USA, and every batch undergoes rigorous third-party testing. You're getting 28 grams of protein per serving, with virtually no lactose and very low fat content, making it ideal for those looking to stay lean while maximizing muscle growth. One of the strongest features of Transparent Labs is its ultra-clean formulation. There are no artificial sweeteners, dyes, fillers, or proprietary blends, and every ingredient is fully disclosed. It's sweetened naturally with stevia, making it a great option for health-conscious athletes. In terms of taste, it's smooth and mixes well with water or milk. Some users may find certain flavors slightly sweet, and it comes at a premium price of about $2 per serving, but for many, the transparency and quality justify the cost. Ultimately, if you want a high-quality, protein-dense powder with complete ingredient disclosure, Transparent Labs is a standout choice. Next up at number 4 is Orgain Organic Protein Powder, an excellent choice for anyone looking for a plant-based, clean protein option. Orgain is USDA organic, non-GMO, dairy-free, gluten-free, and kosher, making it suitable for nearly any dietary preference. Its protein blend combines organic pea protein, brown rice protein, and chia seeds, providing a well-rounded amino acid profile tailored for plant-based diets. Each serving provides 21 grams of protein, which is sufficient for recovery and daily maintenance. One of Orgain's biggest highlights is its creamy, smooth texture. Unlike many plant-based powders, it mixes easily even with just water, and the flavor lineup, including seasonal and caffeinated options, keeps things interesting over time. Some may find it slightly sweet due to natural sweeteners like stevia and erythritol. The protein blend is also not as diverse as other plant-based options, which could matter if you're looking for a complete amino acid profile. At under $2 per serving, Orgain is affordable, accessible, and perfect for everyday use. For anyone seeking a tasty, smooth, and clean plant-based protein, this is a reliable option. Coming in at number 3 is MuscleTech Nitro-Tech Whey, designed for athletes and lifters who want maximum muscle growth and recovery. Each serving delivers 30 grams of high-quality whey protein, primarily from isolate and peptides, which helps with fast absorption and efficient muscle repair. What sets Nitro-Tech apart is its added 3 grams of creatine monohydrate and 6.6 grams of BCAAs per scoop, giving you an edge in strength and performance without the need for additional supplements. Nitro-Tech also contains digestive enzymes, which help with digestion and reduce bloating, a feature often overlooked but very valuable for high-protein users. Some drawbacks include its calorie content, 160 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, and 3 grams of carbs per serving, which is higher than ultra-lean isolates, making it less suitable for strict cutting phases. It also contains artificial flavors, sucralose, and soy, which may not align with a clean label preference. Still, if you're looking for a clinically backed, performance-driven protein, Nitro-Tech is hard to beat. At number 2, we have Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed, a highly digestible whey protein isolate that's perfect for post-workout recovery and lean muscle maintenance. Each serving provides 25 grams of hydrolyzed whey protein with virtually zero carbs and minimal fat, making it ideal for anyone following a low-carb or calorie-conscious regimen. The hydrolyzed formula breaks down faster than regular whey, allowing your muscles to absorb nutrients quickly after training. ISO 100 is also gluten-free and lactose-free with no added fillers or unnecessary ingredients. It's easy to mix, and the wide variety of flavors means you can enjoy it in shakes, smoothies, or even baking recipes. Some users note that certain flavors contain artificial sweeteners, and it comes at a slightly higher price point than standard whey. Texture-wise, it can be a bit lighter and less creamy than blended protein powders. Overall, if you want fast-absorbing, high-quality protein for muscle repair, Dymatize ISO 100 is an excellent choice. And taking the top spot is Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey, arguably one of the most trusted and reliable protein powders worldwide. Each serving provides 24 grams of protein from a blend of whey isolate, concentrate, and hydrolyzed peptides. It also contains 5.5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs and up to 11 grams of essential amino acids, supporting recovery, growth, and overall performance. One of the reasons Optimum Nutrition stands out is its versatility and consistency. With low fat, low carbs, and just 120 calories per scoop, it works for a variety of goals, from lean muscle gain to weight management. The powder mixes smoothly and comes in a massive flavor lineup, so there's always something for every taste preference. On the flip side, most flavors contain artificial sweeteners, and the presence of lactose may not suit everyone. However, considering the balance of performance, flavor, and affordability, it remains hard to beat. For most people, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey hits the sweet spot between quality, taste, and price, making it the go-to protein powder for both beginners and experienced lifters. That wraps up our rundown of the 5 best protein powders you can buy right now. Each of these powders offers something unique, whether it's clean ingredients, plant-based nutrition, rapid absorption, or all-in-one performance support. If you're looking to choose the right protein for your goals, consider what matters most to you: taste, digestibility, ethical sourcing, or muscle-building performance. The products we've covered today are all excellent options depending on your priorities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on supplements, fitness, and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.